too loud. I want to put some...
Are you videoing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
Well, I had this idea to have some chickens in the backyard. So they would eat the bugs. And I don't know if it's gonna work, but I don't have grass for a dog yet. So I thought maybe I should get chickens.
Without telling me first.
No, we talked about it. So
Not really.
Are you mad? Because
No,
it's gonna be on the vlog. Everyone's gonna know we got beef. You wanna see them?
Yeah. It's too dark in there.
Oh, okay, well here we go. See them now?
Mm-hmm.
Hey
They're all
guys.
scrunched up there.
See if they eat. You guys want some?
I think they're scared.
Don't be scared. Yeah. Yeah, some food and water.
Come out into the 114-degree heat, guys.
Yeah. The black one's really pansy. He crawls underneath the other one. Anyways, we'll see how it goes.